What's up, YouTube? This is Cooking with Doug. I'm back again with my Cook Essentials air fryer and my induction stovetop. And tonight I'm gonna make air fryer chicken breast with air fryer broccoli and induction black beans sauteed with onions. Alright, let me get out my chicken breasts and get them washed. I'm gonna just make 2 tonight, but yeah, of course you can make as many as you like. Alright, my chicken breasts are washed. First thing I'm gonna add is some Heinz 57. That's enough to, you know, fully cover both of them, both sides really good. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Some onion powder. Of course, some garlic powder. Gonna add some Sazon for coloring. That's optional, you don't have to. Optional as well, just for some added kick, I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. And just mix it all up. Alright, now that I mixed it up, just to keep it sexy, guys, I'm gonna add some parsley to the top. And I'm gonna let this marinate, by the way, you know, for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, because I'm gonna make my beans in a couple seconds. And one other thing I need to add some black pepper. That's the secret, guys. You add some black pepper or parsley. Usually I like to add it like probably after 6 minutes when they're cooked a little. And I like to add the black pepper in there because it really sticks on after that point. It's sexy. Anyway. About to chop up half of an onion. And by the way, shout out to my Kitchen Gadgets group on Facebook. The link will be in the description to join my group on Facebook. That's where we show off all our kitchen gadgets or gadgets that we're about to get and stuff. So if you're into kitchen gadgets, again, definitely link that up. Anywho, this one's for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the beans and wash them. Whip out my Evon.com exclusive flip pan. Induction ready, baby. What y'all know about that? See that right there? I know that look crazy, right? I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable oil. About it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and dump my onions in there. Move that around a little bit. Let that cook for a while. Onions. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. Now I'm gonna add some chicken broth. Not too much. Put some black pepper on that. Now we're gonna go ahead and dump our black beans in. A little bit more. Yeah, that should be enough. Cool. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and smash some of the beans. Just smash a few of them and mix it all up. That should be good. Cover it up for a little bit, let it talk to each other. Alright, about 5 minutes, about 3 minutes have passed since I had my cover on. And I just tasted some beans and I added some salt. And I also added some cayenne pepper. Great thing about cooking, guys, you could always taste and add what you think you might like. Because my taste is different than your taste. You could add some green peppers to this, whatever. All right, this is pretty much done to my liking. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and cover this. I'm gonna put my induction cooktop on low, and we're gonna get to the air fryer now. All right, this is my air fryer basket. This is optional, adding, you know, this little tray. Sometimes when I cook it in there, sometimes what I make, whether it be fried chicken or baked chicken or whatever, it gets those little holes in whatever I'm making. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it don't. But if you put that tray in there, that'll avoid that. All right, so my chicken breasts have been marinating all this time, which is cool. Like that. All right, I'm gonna do 360 for about 15 minutes, give or take. All right, guys, 3 minutes have passed, and I just realized I forgot to do something. See, they're coming along, but they're looking a little dry, right? What I forgot to do, and what you should do before you put them in the air fryer, is spritz some oil on it, just a little bit. When you do this, they'll look, you know, juicy when they're done instead of dry. But you don't have to do it, but just know that they're gonna look dry if you don't, and that's fine. All right, 7 minutes have passed. We're gonna go ahead and flip the chicken breast now. All right, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and flip the chicken breast, but look how sexy they look. Look at that. All right, so we flipped them over. Look how bare it looks, right? That doesn't look sexy, now does it? Watch this. Big difference, huh? Yeah. This time we won't forget to add some oil. That's enough. Since you're watching, we might as well have some fun. So basically, we gotta, it hit 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the tray and put this on top of the breast and let it finish cooking for the rest of the 5 minutes. These are not done yet, they got 5 more minutes, like I said, so I'm just gonna put this in there. I wash my hands because sides are hot, as you may know. Now all I do is put it back in. All right, we're finished. Let's go ahead and take out our basket. All right. Oh yeah, these are done to my liking. Ow, hot. I just add some salt and pepper real quick to the broccoli. I'll just shake it around. Yep. Look how juicy these look. That's awesome. Well, let's go ahead and plate everything and see how it tastes. All right, guys, this is what we're looking like. It's smelling so good, guys. Oh yeah. So you know we gotta dive in and take a piece, right? All right. Let's dig in and see. Look at that, guys. So juicy. With the beans. It just tastes awesome, man. You guys gotta try this out. It's just too good. It really is. Oh yeah, let me have some of this crunchy air fried broccoli. Tastes like it was steamed. Anywho, hit like if you like it. Remember to subscribe. If anything, thanks for even just looking at my video. Just cooking with Doug.